My name is Arjun. I am the co-founder and CEO of Suke. At Suke, we build IoT systems for operational efficiency. So to make operations as efficient as possible and to provide savings in terms of cost and in terms of optimization of resources to our customers who are mainly in the manufacturing sector. Right, for the purpose of our discussion, right, operations is the process of converting materials and labor into goods and services as efficiently as possible, right? So I just wanted to start with this so that we are all on the same page, right? So we will try to optimize different aspects of converting these materials and labor into goods and services as efficiently as possible, right? So वन क्वेश्चन इज व्हाई डू वी डू ऑल दिस, राइट? हम लोग आजकल तो बहुत कुछ सुनते हैं ना कि ये इंडस्ट्री 4.0 डिजिटल ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन एंड ऑल ऑफ दिस, राइट? सो ऑल दिस स्टार्टेड अबाउट 10 years बैक. एंड व्हाई डिड ऑल ऑफ दिस स्टार्ट? All this started because organizations started getting more and more competitive because of globalization and e-commerce and all of this. कोई भी कहीं भी बेच सकता है. And what happened is everyone started getting pressurized on cost, right? So now all people are thinking, especially in the manufacturing sector, how much more can we sell if our products are much cheaper, right? In a lot of times, the only preference that a customer has, especially customers from the subcontinent, यार कितने सस्ते में मिलेगा या सबसे सस्ता कौन सा है, इसको लो और काम चलाओ, right? So that is why there is a great power in bottom line savings, and a lot of bottom line savings can be done by using IoT and other technology, right? So the first question we ask ourselves is how much more can we sell if we have a cost advantage? The second thing is all manufacturing industries have a setup, right? And it costs money to run a setup. And if we are able to save time and if we are able to make things more efficient inside a setup, how quickly, or rather how much money can we save? That is also a question, right? A simple example as given on the slide is, if I am spending 20 man hours a day looking for material, if I save that time using some technology to, let us say, reduce it to 2 hours, so what is the value of those 18 hours that is available to the factory, right? Of course, a simple calculation is 1% cost into 18 hours, but it also depends on a lot of things, that how much more we are able to do with our factory in that particular amount of time. So these are just two concepts before we get into the actuals of what we do. So all of you here are kind of from an operational background and have been dealing in different kinds of operations. So and a person who is dealing with operations is always very busy, right? उनके mind में बहुत कुछ चलते रहता है. यार क्या चल रहा है, कौन क्या कर रहा है, कौन काम कर रहा है, कौन काम नहीं कर रहा है, सब लोग सेफ है क्या? And the moment you stop monitoring, right, and there is lack of visibility from the upper management, there is a large amount of inefficiency. Inefficiency is there in terms of low productivity, लोग काम नहीं करते हैं बराबर से, poor utilization, मतलब जो काम 2 फोर्कलिफ्ट से हो सकता है वो काम शायद 4 फोर्कलिफ्ट या 5 फोर्कलिफ्ट कर रहे हैं. सेफ्टी रिस्क है, पता नहीं है कहाँ पे लोग हैं, क्या कर रहे हैं. एंड देयर इज अ ह्यूज रिस्क ऑफ नॉन कंप्लायंस आल्सो, कि यार कई जगहों पे आदमी को अकेला काम नहीं करना चाहिए. जनरली क्या होता है, 2 आदमी को हम भेजते हैं, अलॉट तो करते हैं, एक जाता है चाय पीने और दूसरा अकेला काम कर रहा है. तो ये सारे चीज़ generally common है, like people who are in operations know that these things are very common, right? So what is the solution? Solution is we create a digital map of a facility. In a map of a facility, we track all the assets in real time. Assets include people, employees, contractors, visitors, security guards. And if anything is not going as per plan, an alert gets raised. So, example, security guard needs to circle the entire premises, 6 times in the night shift. वो 6 times आज कर रहा है नहीं कर रहा है किसी को पता नहीं, right? But with this kind of a system where tracking goes on a map, अगर 6 times वो नहीं करता है और हम एक रूल वैसे सेट करते हैं तो उनके मैनेजर को अलर्ट आ जाएगा कि यार सिक्योरिटी वाला 6 बार गया नहीं. Now there is another example, right? Contractors should spend, if you have hired someone for loading and unloading, right? That person should spend 6 hours of their 8-hour shift in the loading and unloading area. Baki time lunch break, tea break, sab kuch chalega. But today we are not able to measure how much time the person spends in the actual work area. And as a result, sometimes you go and you talk to the factory manager. The person says, अरे यार मैंने तो 25 लोग हायर किए थे, यहाँ पे तो 10 भी नहीं दिख रहे हैं, बाकी लोग किधर है? Right? So those are kind of the operational challenges that can be solved when we have real-time visibility. And our solution is to plot position of all people, all assets, forklifts, trucks, everything on a map. And if anything goes wrong, let the supervisor know that they need to fix it. Right? Before we go into these advantages of using and all, I would like to show you some screens from the product. Right? So, is my screen browser window available?
Yes, Arjun, we can see that.
Okay, very good. So you can see a map of a facility, right? So this is a map, and you can see that you can see real-time location of all the trucks inside a factory, right? And this is in real time. You click here, you know that everything gets updated once in few seconds. The way we do it is we have Bluetooth tags which we give to the truck driver, and using a network of gateways here, we are able to kind of plot the position of all the trucks. The idea behind plotting position of all the trucks once they enter the facility is to actually reduce the detention charge. मेरे को इसको waiting का पैसा नहीं देना है, right? And the way we do it is we set a number of compliances कि इसको 4 घंटे से ज़्यादा अलाउड नहीं है, इसको 3 घंटे से ज़्यादा अलाउड नहीं है, इसको 1 घंटे से ज़्यादा अलाउड नहीं है, नाइट शिफ्ट में ये सारे गाड़ियाँ नहीं आनी चाहिए. And once we do all of this, we get an alert. And once we get an alert, we are able to kind of say, यार तेरे 3 घंटे खत्म होने को आए, तू क्यों नहीं निकला है बाहर? कहाँ पे ट्रैफिक जैम हो रहा है? And so on. So we are able to kind of address this in a very, very proactive manner. Now, there are a number of reports we can get. Who is our best vendor? Who is our worst vendor? And so on, right? And all this is configurable from the system side, right? From the user side. Now there is also another part which is the maintenance management part, right? Where you can see that there are a number of machines, right? Machines के preventive maintenance में बहुत पैसा खर्च होता है, बहुत टाइम खर्च होता है, and this needs to be done in a very planned manner. So for example, here we have an entire calendar of the year, right? So for 2021, we have all the planned work orders. We can see we have one breakdown. We can see all the planned work orders are completed. That is the yellow and black square that you see here. And these are for different machines and different sub-assemblies. You can also drill down inside a sub-assembly and go into the component level, right? Component level में कहाँ पे maintenance हो रहा है, उसका component का operating time क्या है, and क्या emergency work order डाला हुआ है उसमें. So all of this we can see in a single portal, right? And this is just for optimizing the machine maintenance. Now, you can see how much time it takes to complete, what is the compliance in terms of work orders and so on. All this can be seen in a single platform kind of an approach, right? Now, here, one of the things I wanted to show is you can see, what is your mean time to repair, MTTR, mean time between failure, MTBF, and so on, right? And what is our compliance of preventive maintenance. All this works greatly to reducing our maintenance cost and therefore improving our operational efficiency. तो अगर हमें पता है कि इतने वर्क ऑर्डर है और सारे खत्म होने चाहिए एंड पार्ट रिप्लेसमेंट ऐसे ऐसे चल रहा है, सो वी आर एबल टू प्लान बेटर and make sure that there are less breakdowns also in a factory, right? So these are that was a very brief overview of the kind of capability we have, right? So what are the advantages of using this, right? So one is, of course, we keep track of all the maintenance, and we are able to compare performance, which machine is performing well, which machine is performing badly, how much money are we spending on maintenance, and so on and so forth, right? And we are also able to include, things like emergency work order and so on, right? There are the other use cases that are there, which is the truck in truck out, right? For the asset tracking, we just spoke about that how to reduce turnaround time of trucks. We are able to do people management also with the example that we spoke about, right? That in a certain kind of a facility, how many people are working in their assigned areas, how many people are not working in their assigned areas, and so on, right? There is the emergency mustering, that is in case of an emergency, when everyone comes out, the count becomes automated. That is the emergency mustering use case. And because we are plotting location versus time, we are able to do contact tracing also, which has been a very good application post COVID, right? And then there are other use cases that we spoke about. Visitor management, visitor आता है, वो काफी time spend करता है, restricted area में चले जाता है, and so on. For all these, there are different kinds of alerts that are available in the system. So generally it takes very less time to deploy because there is no customization and all of these things, right? It is just plug and play hardware. We just get the hardware and deploy it, right? So things are very, very quick. So one of the things that we are doing in the SME sector is actually deploying the solution on a rental model. So there is no capex involved, and we just see the size of the facility and we deploy on an OPEX model. So there is a monthly rental, and we can show ROI for this kind of a system from day one, right? So that's all I had in terms of a presentation.